students, hope you all are fit and fine. This is your English period. Today is English grammar turn, okay? And as you know that in English grammar we have completed chapter 3, okay? So today we are going to do activity of this chapter. Activity of chapter 3, that is nouns, number. So first of all mention the classwork and date, then you have to do this activity in your English grammar classwork notebook. Okay students, nouns, number. I have told you that there are two types of numbers, singular and plural. What is singular nouns? Singular nouns, when we talk about any single noun, it is called singular nouns. Okay, for example, I told you boy, balls, toy, dogs, okay, etc. And plural noun, so when we talk about more than one noun, it is called plural nouns. Okay, for example, boys, balls, toys, dogs, etc. Okay, so now let's see what is the activity. Activity is classify the nouns according to their numbers. Students, in this activity you have to classify the nouns according to their numbers. So here you can see I have made a cloud, okay, and in this cloud I have written many nouns, okay. They can be singular or plural. First, thief, books, knives, city, man, dishes, novel, potato, mice, shop, toys, doctor, house, dolls. Okay, so these are singular or plural nouns. Okay, and what you have to do in this activity, you have to classify these nouns according to their numbers, and then you have to write the nouns in these column. If the noun is singular, then you will write in singular column. If the noun is plural, then you will write in plural column. Okay, I am telling you one or two. For example, first is thief. Okay, so thief is singular or plural noun? Yes, thief is singular noun. Okay, so in which column we will write thief? Because thief is singular, that's why we will write thief in singular column. THIEF, thief. Okay, next is books. Now books, you can see book means singular, means one book, and books means many books. So books is a plural noun. So we will write books in the plural column. Okay, because books plural. Okay, now you have to complete this activity by yourself. After completing it, you have to send it in your class group. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.